So for this element poster project, periodic table poster project, you're going to research an element that was assigned by your teacher, and the worksheet will help you design your element poster for this class's interactive periodic table. So for this worksheet, you are going to be filling out all this information about your element. And you're going to use these different interactive periodic tables excuse me, to help you out. So obviously you're gonna put your element name and then the essentials, so symbol, atomic number, atomic weight, group number, group name, period. If you need help remembering what these are, look in Wednesday's daily assignment. But also, if you look at different periodic tables, so like for this one, say we want calcium. We can click on it and we can go in here and it'll tell us name, symbol, atomic number, group name, group period. It tells us lots of great information about it, tells us some description about what it is, some different properties that it has. Also, you can go to this one and look at calcium. Tells you some different uses, tells you what group they are, tells you a picture of what it is. Over here, if you click on calcium, it'll bring you down here, tell you a little bit about the history of it, as well as some information. This one is really good for like getting your standard states. And so going over here, you can see lots of good information over here as well. So these interactive periodic tables are really handy in figuring out what they are and what to write down. And so standard state, remember that is solid, liquid, gas. So like on this one, it tells you which ones are solid, liquids, and gas. Color, some of your elements might have more than one color or it might be colorless. So look at pictures of it, Google it, see what color it is. 2 characteristics of your element. So what are 2 things about it? Is it really reactive with something? Is it magnetic? Is it not reactive with something? Does it have certain unique properties? So looking in here, characteristics are things that it does. So anything exciting that might happen with it. History. Discovered by, year, origin of the name. Origin just means like where it came from. So like why was it named that? So like francium was named after France. Einsteinium was named after Einstein. The ones that are going to be probably the hardest with history are going to be things like silver and gold and copper, because those are just so old. Because silver and gold and copper and iron and lead and all that stuff has been around for such a long time. So like for gold, we don't know who discovered gold or what year, so give your best answer that you can. So like discovered by gold, it was discovered a really long time ago, so we don't know. Year, who's to say? But origin of the name, you might be able to get like a Greek or Latin or something origin of the name. Uses. So what is your element used for? So like gold, it's used in jewelry, it's used in money. What are different things that your element can be used for? And then find 4 pictures that explain your element. So it could be literally pictures of your element. It could be one of the uses it has. It could be one of the characteristics it has. It could be about the history of it. But 4 pictures that explain your element based on the research that you've done so far. And then don't forget to explain why. So why you picked that. And then please have that be in a complete sentence. Once you have all this information done, tomorrow you will be taking it and putting it on a slide and creating our interactive periodic table. So that is what we are doing. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher.